Whether you're diving on a section of coral reef before returning to the boat to work on a video edit and think through a strategy for capturing aerial footage, or reviewing a performance summary of a recent mountain bike trail ride ahead of continuing work on visual effects for a social media post, the latest generation of lifestyle gadgets offer a range of exciting options. In this video, we are bringing you 5 highly practical and innovative lifestyle gadgets which will not only share the moment but stay on track. But before that, if you are a gadget lover and want to stay up to date, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. The Santa Cruz HECKLER SL is a mid-power electric mountain bike designed for strident trail riding and epic backcountry expeditions. The bike's geometry is slack and long with a relaxed riding position. There is 5.9 inches of BPP rear wheel travel and a 6.2-inch fork. Utilizing the Fazula Ride 60 drive system, offering 60 Nm of torque, the bike is great for extended riding sessions. It's a competent climber and excels in diverse environments. There is active suspension performance which offers a plush, smooth, and controlled ride quality. It contributes to high-speed handling in rough terrain, supports agility across the flats and inspires confidence on jumps. The bike's interface is sleek with a top tube-mounted display and ring controller. There is also a minimalist LED hub on the top tube which shows the battery charge status and support level. The HECKLER SL is a powerful trail rider, an excellent technical climber and doesn't shy away from epic backcountry expeditions, providing a high level of touring comfort. The motor adds a welcome touch of uphill flow, conserving energy. Downhill, the bike is in no way inferior to an analog bike. Between the suspension design, geometry, and lightweight platform, the Santa Cruz HECKLER SL makes for some of the most fun to be had on 2 wheels. The DJI MAVIC 4 Pro is a sophisticated 3-camera drone. The camera housing is spherical, with a more robust gimbal that supports upright shooting, with vertical movement ranging from -90 to 70 degrees. There is a 1.1-inch 4/3 main camera with up to a 100 megapixel resolution and an adjustable f/2 f/11 aperture. This is complemented by a 2.7-inch camera with a 48 megapixel 1/1.3-inch sensor, and a 6.6-inch camera with a 50 megapixel 1/1.5-inch sensor. Video is available up to 6K 60 frames per second with the main camera, and up to 4K 120 frames per second with the 2 telephotos. Quick shots, time-lapse, burst shooting, exposure bracketing and panorama are available. The drone has a top speed of 60.4 miles per hour in sport mode and 40.3 miles per hour when tracking moving subjects. Wind resistance is 26.8 miles per hour. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing ensures safe flights even through highly complex environments. Subject tracking is impressive, especially with the ability to track cars. It is capable of maintaining tracking even when the target vehicle is partially obscured by trees. There is also a return to home feature which allows for the drone's return without a GPS signal. The DJI MAVIC 4 Pro provides an invitation to exploration. STRAVA is a fitness app designed for outdoor exercisers who want in-depth analysis of their sessions and a social network to share them on. Athletes, competitive runners, and cyclists who are serious about planning routes and improving their performance over time will benefit from the platform. Users can record and review activities, then share them with friends, follow other people to see each other's activity in a newsfeed, like and comment on activities, see the details of others' workouts, and more. Fitness trackers such as a smartwatch or heart rate monitor can be connected to the STRAVA app, which then displays an analysis of activities such as time, distance, route, estimated calories, and elevation. It is also possible to integrate STRAVA with popular fitness platforms and services like Garmin Connect and Nike Run Club so that workouts can be automatically uploaded. A useful feature for adventurous runners and cyclists is STRAVA's Maps tab, which gives users thousands of downloadable routes from other users, plus the ability to draw their own. With support for generic sports such as running, cycling, swimming, and hiking, as well as niche exercises like skateboarding, squash, or HIIT sessions, Strava not only provides a diverse means of monitoring health progress but an opportunity to share it with others. The YAMAHA 500Li is a C-scooter designed for both professional and recreational divers. It is rated to a depth of 130 feet and has a run time of 90 minutes. Comfortable to hold, the DPV is powered by a 500-watt lithium-ion battery, enabling speeds of up to 4.35 miles per hour. There is a 3-level rotational speed control, superior flood prevention, and an automatic buoyancy adjustment system. The battery and motor are housed in a pointy egg-shaped pod that tapers to a narrow waist and then flares out to the well-guarded propeller. There is a molded handle that curves over the top of the unit with a pull-out master switch center top and a hand grip at each side, topped by a thumb-operated press switch. Accessory D-ring attachment points are provided, as well as a dashboard-style LED battery status indicator for an accurate voltage display during use. Included are a pair of armrests that slot into place on either side of the unit to provide extra support during long periods of use, and 4 stainless steel slugs to add extra weight if the unit is too buoyant. With a lithium-ion battery, thoughtful ergonomic design, and accessory mounting points, the YAMAHA 500Li C-scooter makes for a fun, lightweight recreational C-scooter. BLACKMAGIC designed VINCI Resolve 20 is a professional video editing software package which includes tools for color correction, visual effects, motion graphics, and audio post-production. The software utilizes image technology with 32-bit float processing, patented RGB color science, and a massive wide gamut color space for the latest HDR workflows. Fairlight audio processing is integrated. Keyframe editing, voice-over palettes, and live override are available. There are also advanced multi-layer compositing workflows which allow for the creation of visual effects and motion graphics. Artificial intelligence aids efficiency with tools such as IntelliScript that can automatically create timelines based on a project script, and Set Extender, which creates a scene extension to fill an entire frame based on a simple text prompt. Cloud folders are used for collaborative workflows, allowing teams to share media and project data. Editors, colorists, VFX artists, animators, and sound engineers can simultaneously work together from anywhere in the world. For a more efficient and tactile experience when editing, a DaVinci Resolve Speed Editor is available. This hardware controller features a shuttle dial and dedicated buttons for common editing tasks. With an elegant, modern interface, integrated collaboration tools, and support for visual effects, BLACKMAGIC designed DaVinci Resolve 20 makes for a stunning video production tool. So guys, if you are looking for a lifestyle gadget, we hope these recommendations have brought you closer to the ideal device. Links to all products can be found in the description. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and thank you so much for watching.